Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to do a makeup tutorial on this look right here. In this look I have focused on eyes and lips, keeping the base very glowy. So if you want to know how I got this look, then please keep on watching. And before that, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Let's quickly jump into the video. So first I'm gonna prep my skin using the Nivea Light Moisturizer Cream, and it doesn't matter what skin type you are, you need to moisturize your skin first. It's such a nice cream and it makes my skin look so smooth, though I applied a very thin layer, plus it smells so good. For primer I'm gonna take the Nykaa Prep Me Up primer, and it is such a good silicone based primer. And it did blur out my pores and it made my skin look really smooth. And now moving on to my brows, I'm using this Maybelline Fashion Brow Eyebrow Pencil in the shade Dark Grey, and I have been loving this product. Can you see how perfectly it matches my hair? And I'm making these very little tiny strokes to fill in all these sparse areas of my brow. And now I'm brushing my hair with a spoolie to distribute all the brow product. And now I'm going to take some concealer and clean out my brows and make them look really crisp and sharp. And for that I'm using a very thin tiny brush. As you can see, I'm creating a very thin layer around my eyebrows, and it will give you that really crisp look. And here I'm putting the same concealer onto my eyelids as well, and it's the Miss Claire full coverage concealer in the shade 01, and it is such a beautiful full coverage drugstore concealer. You can see what a huge difference it has made. And for some reason I feel that concealing your eyes can totally change the game. So yeah, and eyes are concealed, and now I'm going to set them with a translucent powder. And for that I'm using the Lakme Naturale finishing powder, and I'm going to lightly pat it with the help of a brush. For eyeshadow I'm taking the Makeup Revolution's Fortune Favours the Brave eyeshadow palette, and from this I'm going to pick this light brown shade here, and with the help of a fluffy blending brush I'm going to give it a subtle wash all over my lid. Moving on, I'm going to pick this dark brown shade here from the same palette, and with a densely packed brush I'm going to place it onto my outer portion of the crease. I just want some depth and definition over there, so I'm just going to slowly build it up. And now I'm going to pick this bone color up from this eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to just clean my lid so that everything comes together. And I love this eyeshadow palette so much. You get your browns, your purples, and some bone colors, plus the shimmers in it. They are so pigmented and you can create so many looks with them. So this can be your everyday eyeshadow palette, or you can also use it in your big events. It's that perfect. And now I'm going to blend it all again with the same blending brush. And now I'm going to move on to my base makeup, and for that I'm using the Wetnwild's Photo Focus foundation, and I'm in the shade Golden Beige. So yeah, I'm just dotting it all over onto my face, and today I'm going to use very less amount of foundation because it's too hot already and I do not want to melt it down. So here I'm going to use a brush first to blend it all, and I think this foundation is super full coverage. It gives you a very nice sheen, and as said, it is photo focus foundation. It doesn't give you flashbacks in photos. And can you guys see how instantly it covered all my pigmentation? So I think if you're looking for a drugstore foundation, then please check out this foundation. It is totally worth it. And here I'm going to use a beauty blender to absorb all the extra product from my face to give it that natural and flawless finish. For concealer, I'm gonna use the Suiss Beauty concealer in the shade 02 Sand Sable. And if you're looking for a full coverage drugstore concealer, then this is it. So here I'm using it to cancel out all the darkness around my under eyes and my mouth area, as it has got some yellow tint to it, so it will cancel all the pigmentation out really well. And now I'm just going to blend it with the help of a beauty blender. And as you can see, it has instantly brightened my under eye area, so I'll highly recommend this concealer. And now to further highlight my face, I'm going to jump into the Miss Claire highlighting concealer, and I'm putting it exactly where I want to highlight my face. So I'm going to use it under my eyes, my cupid's bow, chin, forehead, and I'm also going to place it above my eyebrows and a little bit on my bridge of the nose. And now I'm going to pick the beauty blender again, and I am just blending it out very slowly so that I get the maximum coverage from the concealer. And now you wanna set your face, and for that I'm using the same Lakme translucent powder. And first I'm going to get rid of all the creases that I might have under my eyes, and then I'm just going to simply dab it with the help of the beauty blender. And please make sure to use a very light hand under your eye area because it's too sensitive. And you wanna set your smile lines, especially because this is where your concealer tends to crease. So yeah, setting your face with a translucent powder helps it to last longer, and it also makes it bulletproof, and it is not going to come off that easily. And I've also put some powder onto my upper lip area because we know it sweats a lot. So basically I have set all my face with the powder, and as you can see, it has also given me some coverage. And yeah, and you can see it got onto my brow, but we are gonna fix it. And now to give some color back to my face, I'm going to use the Wet n Wild's contouring palette, and for that I'm also going to use the Wet n Wild contour brush, and I'm going to slightly bronze it up. And I love this product so much. The powders are very finely milled and they blend into your skin really nice, and yeah, I love it so much. And here I'm going to bronze up my cheekbone and my jawline. For blush, I am going to use the Wet n Wild's Apricot in the middle blush, and it's a very nice peachy kind of blush, and it has also got some sheen to it. So if you want to highlight as well as blush at the same time, you can go with this. Or if you have got some texture, then you wanna stay away from it because it is going to enhance your texture. And here I'm going to tightline my waterline using the Maybelline Colossal Smudge Proof Kajal. And now I'm going to smudge my lower lash line with the help of the dark brown eyeshadow which we used earlier. And for mascara, I'm going to use the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. And I'm going to give very few coats because I'm going to use some falsies, and they are the PAC Mink Lashes in M72, and I'm going to use the PAC Lash Adhesive for it. And now I'm going to take the Wet n Wild's Precious Petals highlighter to highlight my face, and I'm going to highlight my usual areas like the inner corner of the eyes, my brow bone, cheekbones, chin, cupid's bow, nose and forehead. I think it's such a beautiful drugstore highlighter. It works really well for everyone, I think. And now moving on to the lip, I'm going to use the pencil from Wetnwild, and it is in the shade Chestnut, and I'm going to very slightly overline my lips. And for lipstick, I'm going to use the Lakme Brownie Point lipstick, and I'm going to put it all over to my lip, and it's a beautiful brown nude shade. And this is the final look. I hope you all liked watching it, and if you did, then please do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.